Bonjour mes étudiants 6th standard. I welcome you all for this today's session. And how did you do yesterday? So yesterday we learned something. Les mois de l'année. Do you remember that? Les mois de l'année. What is the meaning of les mois de l'année? The months of the year. Very good. So what is it? Les mois de l'année. So do you remember that? Shall I ask you a few questions on that? Okay. So I'll ask few questions. Let me check what you know and what you don't know. Okay. So what is the first month of the year called in French? January month in French. How you will call? January. Yeah? No. Janvier. Okay. What it is? Janvier. Now, fifth month of the year. January, February, March, April, May. Fifth month of the year. How you will name it in French? May. In English also it is May, and in French also the sound is May. Okay. What is the 12th month? 12th month of the year. How you will tell in French? December. No. Décembre. What it is? Décembre. So do you remember these things? Very good. Okay. So like this you practice. Okay. We'll practice once all the 12 months. Okay. Janvier, février, mars, avril, repeat, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Once again, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So you remember this? Okay, very good. Now let's get into today's topic. Today we are going to see two topics. Okay. Topic number one is days of the week. How many days are there in a week? You know? 7 days. 8 days or 7 days? 7 days. Okay. So first we are going to learn that for 10 minutes. And second 10 minutes we are going to learn numbers. So two topics, you are growing day by day, right? So topic number one is days and topic number two is numbers. So days 7 days and numbers only 10 numbers we are going to learn. That is from 1 to 10. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. Now we are going to start with days. Okay. How do we say days in French? Les jours. Please repeat. Les jours. So you must know the vocabulary for days. Le jour is day. Days means les jours. Okay. So 7 days, no plural. So les jours. Please repeat. Les jours. And what is a week in French? La semaine. La semaine. Repeat. For days, les jours. And for week, la semaine. So what we are going to learn now? Les jours de la semaine. Please repeat. Les jours de la semaine. Now let's start. So 7 days, right? Let's start now one by one. Topic: les jours de la semaine. Les jours means days. And la semaine means week. Les jours means days, la semaine means week. Okay. So first one. This will be very interesting. I'll tell you a trick how to learn this and then we'll start one by one. All the days in French will end with D. What is that D? D-I. 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 Okay, and the last day will start with DI. Okay, remember this. So this is the simplest way of learning this. So all the days will end with D. Okay. Now I will first tell the word and then we will spell it. First Monday is lundi. Okay, Monday is lundi. So this is L-U-N, lundi. Second is mardi, M-A-R-D-I, mardi. So lundi, mardi. Please repeat. The number of times you repeat, it will become very simple. So every days will end with this sound. What is sound? D. What is the sound? D. Lundi. So this is lundi. So far we have seen lundi, mardi, two words. Now third word, mercredi, jeudi. Mercredi, jeudi. So I'll say mercredi. Mer. So we can divide into syllables. Mercredi, mercredi. Jeudi, jeudi, jeudi. Okay. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. Now let's spell mercredi. M E R C R E D E. Mercredi. Repeat along with me. M E R C R E D E. Mercredi. Jeudi. J E U D E. Jeudi. Repeat. J E U D E. Jeudi. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. Okay? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. So lundi means Monday. Okay? So this is Monday. M. I'll just put a M. This is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday, and this is Thursday. Okay? And this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? So no need to write that in English. If I write in English, you will concentrate more on that. So that's why I am writing only in French. Okay? So once again, we'll repeat this. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi. Repeat. Lundi, lundi, mardi, mardi, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, jeudi. Now, vendredi, vendredi. So we will cut this. Vendredi, 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 vendredi. Vent spelling is V-E-N. Vendre. D-R-E. Dr. D. D-I. So as I said, every day will end with D-I. The spelling will end with D-I. So the syllable is vendredi. Vendredi. Next is samedi. 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 If I cut and read, it will be like this. Samedi. Samedi. S-A. Sa. M-E. M-D. D-E. Samedi. Last one. Dimanche. Dimanche. D-E-M-A-N-C-H-E. So how to cut this? Dimanche. 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 Okay? Dimanche. Dimanche. So you'll say this alone. Vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Repeat. Vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Once again. Vendredi, samedi, dimanche. First one. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Once again. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche. One last time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So now what we have learned? Do you remember the title? You should not forget the title. The title is Les jours de la semaine. Repeat. Les jours de la semaine. So now so far what we have learnt is the days of the week. Now we are going to learn the numbers. Okay, don't worry, we will practice once again tomorrow. We will revise everything, and I will also give you an answer sheet, answer key to learn. Okay, now let's pause and let's I will erase it and I will teach you the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, now we are going to see numbers. Okay, so before seeing numbers, we will do this class in a different way. Okay, so take your fingers like this. Okay, how many fingers are there? 11 or 12? 10 fingers. Okay, so take your fingers like this and close it. Okay, so this activity we are not going to learn on the board. Finally we will see the board. Now we are going to see the fingers of the teacher. Okay, so let's start. And lift your one finger. And deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay, so we will keep this fingers down. We will first do first 5. Okay, close. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Now this is a memory game. Okay, the game is like, I will close the fingers. Okay, once again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Once again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Now the game is, when I show like this, you have to say cinq. When I show like this, you have to say quatre. Trois, deux, un. Okay. So like this, you have to remember. This is memory game. Okay. 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 Now repeat along with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Now we are done with this 5 numbers. Now let's practice. Little hard. Okay. Deux, quatre, cinq, trois, un, quatre, cinq. Now once again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay, those who have missed, once again one more chance. Cinq. Very good. Those who said correctly, very good. Trois, deux, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay, very good. So we have finished 5. Okay, first 5 we have finished. So let's see the numbers in words. Okay, so this is the spelling of the first 5. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Now spell along with me. U, N, un. U, N, un. Deux, D, E, U, X. Deux. Un, deux. Trois. T, A, O, I, S. Trois. Repeat. T, A, O, I, S. Trois. Un, deux, trois. Now quatre. Q, U, A, T, A, E. Quatre. Q, U, A, T, A, E. Quatre. Last one. Cinq. C, I, N, Q. Cinq. C, I, N, Q. Cinq. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. So we have finished 5. Was it easy? Shall we do this game once again? Okay. Now we'll do this from 6 to 10. Okay. So once again, take your fingers. Keep your fingers like this. Okay. Now keep 5 plus 1. Six, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Once again, close. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will not say, you have to say. Okay. Once again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let's play the same game. 6, 8, 9, 10, 7, 10, 5. Okay. So like this, you can play with your friend or you can play with your parent. You can teach them also. Okay. So once again, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we'll do, we'll see the name. Okay. We will see the spelling of 6 to 10. Okay. Sees, the same spelling as it is in English. S-E-X. Sees. Repeat. Sees. Sit. S-A-P-T. But this P is silent. Okay. So I'll just put a slash. S-A-P-T. Sit. Wheat. H-U-E-T. Wheat. H-U-E-T. Wheat. Neuf. N-E-U-F. This is F. Okay, if you are not able to follow that, I have changed the F. Okay, and E-U-F. Neuf. These. D-E-X. These. Once again. Six, set, wheat, nerve, these. The reason why we started a game was, most of you, what you do, you will start reading in English. So to avoid that, I taught you a game, and then from the game we are learning the words. So in this way you will not translate in English, or you will not try to articulate in English. So we'll see all it together, all this 1 to 10 numbers together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you might have a question. What will be your online test today? Your online test is only days of the week. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. That alone you learn for online test. This we will have it as a tomorrow's online test. And what we are going to see tomorrow is what all we saw this week. That is 4 days, whatever we saw, I will revise it tomorrow. That's it. So we are not going to see anything new. I have kept 1 day for revision. So that will help you to learn for your exam. So for tomorrow's online test, we will have this. And tomorrow I will show you the answer key. When you get the answer sheet from the school, you will also get an answer key. Using that answer key, you can prepare. Why? Because some people might not understand the handwriting which sir has written on the board. So you can get the answer key when you collect the answer sheets. So using that answer key, you can prepare for the exam. Okay, that answer key you will receive while you receive the answer sheets. Okay, so one last time we will see les nombres. What is it? Les nombres. Numbers in French it is called as les nombres. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, don't worry. We'll see this once again tomorrow. And this is not your online test today. Your online test is only days of the week, that is Landi Mardi. Okay, so learn that alone today and you can start write and practice. Okay, so don't forget, prepare for the exam. It is a very easy exam, it will not be tough at all. You can sit and prepare for 15 to 20 minutes every day, that is more than enough. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow and try to read this, and I'll ask questions tomorrow, and start playing this game with your friends or your mom. Okay, merci mes étudiants, bonne journée.